This is practice problem 16.3. I have two PostNet barcodes and I want to determine the zip+4 code and the check digit for each of these barcodes. So I'm just going to use my chart here and figure out what all these digits are. So I've got my guard bars on either end, so those don't stand for any digit. My first digit here, I've got two long bars and then three short bars. So if I look on my chart, that looks like that corresponds to 0. My next digit has two short bars, two long bars, and another short bar. So that looks like that matches up with 3. Then I've got three short bars and two long bars, which is a 1. And then exactly the same thing, three short bars and two long bars is another 1. And then again, two long bars followed by three short bars, which we saw before, that's a 0. So that's the first part of my zip code. It's the first 5 digits. Now I'm going to do the +4 portion. I've got a short bar, two long bars, and then two short bars. So it looks like that is a 6. And I've got long, short, short, and that is a 9. 3 short and 2 long is a 1. And 2 short, 2 long, and a short is a 3. So that's the +4 portion. And then finally I've got my check digit. So that's going to be short, 2 longs, 2 shorts, and that is a 6. So that's for my first PostNet barcode. That's my zip+4 code and the check digit. Now let's look at the next one. I've got long, 2 short, long, 1 short, and that's an 8. 2 longs and 3 shorts. We've seen this before. That's a 0. This one is short, long, short, and that is going to be a 5. 2 shorts, a long, a short, and another long, and that's a 2. And I've got short, long, 2 shorts, and a long, and that is going to give me a 4. So that's the first 5 digits, so that's the regular zip code. Now I need my +4. So the first digit is 2 shorts, a long, a short, and another long, and that is a 2. Then I've got short, long, 2 shorts, and a long, and that's a 4. And then I've got short, long, short again, and we saw this before, that's a 5. Long, 3 shorts, and a long, this is a 7. 2 shorts, 2 longs, and a short, and that's a 3. And that is my check digit. Alright, so I've got my zip+4 code and my check digit for both of those PostNet barcodes.